Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. We finally got a little bit of land. It is July 20th, so we are well into summer, well into gardening season. I've been kind of neglecting my garden this year. I feel bad, but we've just been really busy, and one of the reasons why is because we are moving. For those of you that don't know, this has been a process coming for a very long time. We finally are starting that journey again. This might be the last time you see this house. By the time you're watching this video, I will have probably already moved. So I just wanted to start this vlog because I wanted to take you guys along the journey of us moving across country to a bigger homestead. We have just under 2 acres of property out in the Midwest. We're still gonna be here for a few weeks. We have some last minute appointments for the dogs to get their shots and everything updated for traveling. There's gonna be a lot of packing going on in the next few days that you'll see, so I don't know if you guys are into that, but I'm gonna log the journey, so if you guys want to watch it, stay tuned. We do have a lot of plans, so that'll be exciting. We have more land so I can have a bigger homestead, bigger garden. We're gonna get some chickens and some ducks and all kinds of things. So yeah, it'll be exciting. Our homestead journey it begins. So first things first, I need to pull out some meat. Making chili tonight, so I'm getting some meat thawed. So forgive the mess, but I've got a lot of boxes here that we need to put together because these are what we're gonna be putting our stuff in. Right, found a few boxes. This front one is going to be for the books, and I think this back one right here I'm gonna use for some winter clothing that I don't need right now because obviously it's the middle of July. He's a big fan of boxes. Ooh. Still looking at the camera. Jay. Oh, look at, oh my. Okay, so I have a little bit more room in this box. I think I'm just gonna fill the rest of it with clothes just because I need to wrap a few things and the clothes will protect it nicely. Alright, so I fixed up the box. This dresser has a few things in it that the bottom drawer is winter clothes and stuff like that, and then there's some stuff in the top drawer that I don't need right away. It's a few hours later. It's about 10:30 now. My cat actually took a nap in the box, so I let him sleep in there because I thought it was cute. but there's a little bit more room. So I think this closet actually has some extra clothing. So I think I'm gonna try to see how much of that I can fit in there. Just because it's mostly like jackets and stuff that I've sewn, so like templates and stuff. So I won't be needing that right away either. Are you helping? He really wants to help. He wants to help. This is Neptune. He's very curious. He's coming with us. So this box is full, so I'm going to go ahead and close it up now. This one's my Letterman from high school, so I am going to be very careful with this one. So this box is now full, so I'm just going to close it up. This box is going to be problematic. Good afternoon, everyone. It is day 2 of packing. It's actually 2 days later. I have this box made up because I have donations that I want to go through and get them donated, and then I have to make another box because I've got some stuff that I need to pack, and because it's non-essential, I'm just gonna go ahead and pack that up now. Hi. She is gonna be very excited to have almost 2 acres to run around in. You need help? Oh, thank you. My cat is trying to eat tape right now. So this is what I have so far. It's not a lot of stuff yet. It's just the first round, some decor stuff, some old hats, chocolate milk maker, and then I have a few more things that I think I want to put in here, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I don't know. I do know what this is for. There's a cat in the closet. He found all my fabric. It's a few hours later. I grabbed some blankets from our hall closet because I have some glass, like, fragile stuff that I want to wrap up, and I think I don't have packing material, so I think this is the way that I'm going to do it. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. It has been quite a few days, actually. I've got a box right here ready to go. I've been really busy the past couple of days, just finishing up last minute projects for clients, but we're back on it. I thought I was done packing winter clothes, and then I realized that I have this entire bin full of clothes that I will not be needing for a few more months, so I'm gonna go ahead and pack them up because I don't actually need this bin anymore. We got it because originally I didn't have enough closet space, but now because where we're moving has a lot more closet space. I think I will be able to fit everything in the closets. Here. You're fine. You're okay. Is everything changing? You're gonna have so much fun. You're gonna have more room inside and outside to run around. You're gonna love it. And you're gonna have a dog to bark at and terrorize next door. Mm-hmm. Okay. So this is empty. This one is now full. Good afternoon, everyone. It is actually a few days later. I don't think we're taking this with us. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it from this room, but there's a bunch of stuff on top of the rug that I have to move first. We are leaving in approximately a week with the first load. So I've been working on putting the room kind of back together. This little guy came to investigate and I don't think he approves.